Hi everyone, my name is Divya. This video is from Spikra Private Limited and I'm working here as a product consultant. Okay, today my topic is super productivity. You can guess what it means or what product or what topic I'm going to take. Can you guess? If you guess, make a comment. Okay. Without wasting a time, I would like to jump into a topic. Just a second, I will share my screen. Okay. Yeah, you're right. My topic is about n8n automation. Why I have kept super productivity for this n8n automation is like n8n can do any work without more coding or more coding language. Who the person who don't have enough knowledge or like he might don't know what is code mean or he is not familiar with the word code. He can also learn the n8n automation and make a huge changes in their business. Okay. Firstly, I would like to explain what is n8n. Before moving into next slide, I would ask you a question. The the people who are watching this video, have you ever used this n8n before? If yes, write a comment. As yes, I have used it. Or if not, for that also write a comment. I will be posting next step by step how to build it. Everything. Okay. What is n8n? n8n is something that can automate anything. The complex process, everything can be done with n8n without coding. It sounds good, right? Okay. In today's fast uh, paced environment, that is in a vast environment, efficiency is a key. Like if there is a home, there should be a key to open that, right? Yeah. This is a vast environment where we need a key to be efficient and consistent. So this is where you can use a n8n, and n8n offers a powerful, flexible, and accessible way to automate workflows and freeing up the valuable time. Like it can save the time, uh, yeah, and the resources for what truly matters. This is what n8n is. Okay. Uh, um, in a in a like I've put to one sentence for why it is open. So, the features of n8n and what is meant. First one is open source and flexibility. Okay, and it is a open source. Like anyone can open this or anyone can use this. It's not a restricted one or as uh, I've read your mind voice. It's a paid one, but it is a open source. It's not a like uh, some organization have a restriction to that. It's not like that. It's a open source. Okay, and tool with a known code or low code visual builder. For this only, it is the feature is from this only feature is called as open source or flexible. And the next point is extensible integrations. As you has anytime supports the 400 plus integration apps with Zoho and outside Zoho. Third party also it's connects. Does okay. For example, applications or apps called services called Airtable, MySQL, Postgres, custom APIs, AI tools, ChatGPT, etc., etc. It can use many. It has many 400 plus applications that you can integrate. And the next one is cloud or self-hosted. n8n supports for both. That means n8n can be in a cloud-based or it is a self-owned via a Docker desktop offering a privacy and control. It means n8n can work on a cloud base or we can install it in our own computer using a Docker or a desktop. Okay. You may have a question like why only n8n? n8n saves a lots of time being instead of manually integrating each and every applications uh, directly, and it is unmatched flexibility. It means integrate automatically with SaaS applications, APIs, webhooks, HTTPS, and even the custom code. We can also write a custom code. We can write a custom code with two ways. One is the JavaScript, that is JSON, and the another is Python. And the next point is scalability and growth. Uh, Scalability, like n8n supports for a small organization to large organizations. It can yeah, and the growth for this is day by day it's increasing a lot. And the next point is cost effectiveness. Yes, it's a paid one, but it's a cost effective. It's not too much expensive to use. You can offer the price. And the next point is uh, community. Um, if you are familiar with the Zoho products, they have a, separate community page for any updates or for any query. You can go through that. Likewise, for n8n also there is a community, like where if you have any queries or if you have any errors, you can post and anyone knows about that. They can reply to that. It sounds good, right? Then and the next moving to a next slide. In n9 there are few core modules or nodes that you have to know before jumping into a real before exploring the app. Have I have listed down here. That is, the first one is workflow, the backbone of your automation. Of workflow is a sequence, like a step by step connected connected steps designed to achieve a specific goal or automation goal. And the next one is node, like each individual step in a workflow within a workflow are called as nodes. Nodes perform a specific action from triggering an event to an to executing an custom code. The the second core concept is node, and the third one is trigger. Um, if there is action, there should be a trigger point, right? Yeah, for that only triggers. The starting point of any workflow. A starting point of any workflow is called as triggers. Trigger can define when an automation should begin, or like when automation should begin. That can be defined in triggers. And so, such as a new email arrived, if a new email or a new form is submitted, it has to give you a email notification. It's a trigger. And the next core point is action. Notes, okay. Workflows have you it's done, and the next one is notes, and the next one is then is triggers and then actions. Okay, you think like that. Okay. There is a node. Okay. There is a trigger point and there is a node. Okay. Think like that. There is a node. There is a trigger point. For each trigger point or a node, it has some actions to do that, right? That is what actions means. What actions next? What happens next? uh, if this node is triggered, what action should be done next? It's called as actions. Okay, moving forward. Um Anything can do beyond the basic needs. Like there is a three category. One is basic, intermediate, and advanced, and more advanced. It goes on like advanced pro, yeah, like that. Uh, Firstly, I would like to explain what n8n can do beyond the basics in the data flow and logic. Data flow. There are it can handle. There is a 3 points that mainly n8n handles. One is the data flow. Information seamlessly processed from output of the one node. Like if the one node is the example. Okay. The output of one node is input to the next node. This is what means the data flow. That data can be transferred throughout the automation or architecture. Workflow is also called as architecture. Throughout without any changes or misconsumption, and enabling the complex data transformations. It can also transfer a complex data. And the next one is expressions. Um, Expressions, it means variables or logical functions. It can also create a dynamic or static functions and intelligent workflows, adapting to a various inputs. And the last point is error handling. Have you ever heard about the robust? The word, yeah, it's a best suitable for the n8n. Implement robust retrieval logic, branching, and dedicated error nodes to ensure your automations are gracefully recovered from issues. Error can be handled smoothly and robust. Like error can be uh, handled most in a more efficient way. Okay, moving the next slide. Okay, uh, what n8n can do in advanced, it has some advanced features such as I have listed down here too. One is the real-time integrations. It can integrate the webhook. Have you ever heard about a webhook? If not, webhook is something that can be listed or that can be accessed through HTTPS for an instant or event-driven workflows, and deep API integrations to connect many. It has a deep API integrations to connect with the virtually any services. This is what I mean by the real-time integrations. And the next point is custom logic. Custom logic. We can, as I said before, we can write a custom function using a JavaScript, that is JSON, or Python, Python beta. If you have a coding knowledge, if not, you can do many things without the coding knowledge. Yeah. In the next part, okay, we have come to a end of the section. Before going to end this video, I would like to give a quick recap of what you are taking away from this video, from this tight from this n8n supercharge productivity. The first one is it's an open source. Anyone can use at any time, and it supports a community channel, and there is a transparent data transfer with a security that data can't be uh, mishandled. And the next one is scalable solutions. For a simple notification to complex business process, n8n scales with your needs. Like based on our needs, n8n can be built. And the third point you are taking away is rapid automations. Like you can build a easy to start with the triggers plus actions, building up functional automations in minutes. And the next and the last point is feasibility and control. As I said, you may have many automation tools like just such as Zapier, Make, but n8n offers unparalleled control and adaptability. Okay, we have come to an end. If you have any queries related to n8n or related to any Zoho products, you can connect our www.speakera.com or the sales at speakera.com. I've provided a number in this. Thank you.